Welcome to John Darts. Today we're introducing you to our Toyota Yaris hatchback 1.5 hybrid XL 5-door on a 22 plate. The vehicle sits on 17-inch alloys, has a rear parking camera, front sensors, and is a full hybrid. We have inside a grey part leather finish, Isofix to the rear, and a grey interior roof lining. We have just over 13,600 miles on the clock, 2 keys. We have also drive modes, and one of the key features of this, it being an automatic, makes it really easy to drive. You can switch this solely into EV mode, subject to charge. But the car is available now, and we'd look forward to seeing you down here to view it.